Hello, Hellboy Fire Vlogger!
Asa na ang mga 10-kilometer runners! Make this run fun, meaningful, and truly unforgettable.
Good morning, everyone. This event is Tyson 2025.
Blessed Sunday, everyone, and we're here right now at the Taitung High School celebrating their anniversary. And we have with us right now Alfon, no? Siya niyang first placer 5K category. Alfon, congratulations!
Thank you, sir.
Nanumunti mo nga po, anong oras ang imo nga?
Yes, sir. Average 220, sobra almost 300 meters. Hapon time 17:23.
Okay, nanood ito sa likod mo kang sino ka sa note mo?
Si MJ Matigia from Team Daniela.
Okay. Don't take it, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations, yan. will make it for me. Kailangan mo yung winner.
Oh.
Hindi mag-first, second, third. Okay, again, thank you, Gizimo. Congratulations. Okay, there you have it. Yan ay isa sa mga elite nga mga runner, ng mga bata pa. Okay, thank you, Git. Okay, Arian coach ang nang dad. Congratulations.
Muna yung warm-up niya.
Warm-up pa lang?
Warm-up pa lang ni kay November mga Spartan race na kami po Porak
Okay.
for championship.
Buti mo yung naglalaka ka man, di ba?
Oo.
Pila ka, ano nga category ka?
21 and pagka tomorrow 10 kilometers.
Oh?
Then
Ini nga agad mo.
3 kilometers.
Kaya ginap down lang si
Pacing lang.
Para hindi ginagawa ba yan, bataya.
Thank you.
And see you next round naman.
Ayan.
Okay, thank you. We have also a third, no? Third placer, si Kate. Ano nga category?
Na 3K.
Natayban mo yung mga tagan?
Na nga mo lang isa na yung taan ko kay 3K. Daway na ko gatan sa iban nga kategory.
Hindi naman ang next naka-run.
Na ano, na wala po kabalo pero si mama gano'n sa ako tayo.
Parang yung mama, kaya po
Yeah.
niya pero may.
Ito birthday dahil si mama sa ako.
Alright, thank you guys. Congratulations na And we're still here at Taitung Gym and we're having this anniversary sa Taitung High School. And we have here with us Fritz Andre Espinosa, isa man sa mga batch 2000. Sir Fritz, congratulations!
Thank you.
Ano gina-celebrate yung ito po
Actually, it's the 91st founding anniversary of Bacolod Taitung High School. And right now, our batch, we graduated in 2000 from Taitung High School, and we're the ones spearheading the celebration for the alumni.
Why labot sa front? May program kay Kapapron?
Actually, this is, I think, the start of the a week-long celebration in the school. So, I think for the next coming days, may mga playground demonstration ng mga students, and then I think it will be capped sa Saturday night. I think that will be the alumni grand homecoming.
Okay.
So yun, we're inviting alumni from other batches as well to celebrate with us and honor our teachers who became part of our lives for the past. I mean, if I remember, it's all been 25 years since I graduated from this school.
Do you have any idea or estimate ang runner kung kung pila ka dito?
I heard from this morning that it's around 1,500 runners, yeah.
Well, anyway, sir, Fritz, congratulations.
Thank you.
Good job, kid.
Thank you.
Did all great. Sa inyong batch, congratulations. Happy birthday. So, they're still having this Zumba dance together with Phoebe. Okay. So, see you guys next event. Hari na si Elboy na resurrected naman. Go resurrected. And thank you, kid. Sa prayers nyo, sa nag-send sa GCash, pasalamat ko. And thank you, kid, ka Lord, na balik na nga ako nga force. Okay? Ako nga mga power. Thank you, kid. So anyway, thank you all for watching and God bless us all. Peace.